Okay, doing just a short video on some parts I'm cleaning here. Sorry about the noise behind me. I just got the fan on. If you can see it behind the TV, that's my air conditioning unit. I just have the fan only on just to kind of circulate the room, kind of take off some of the smell of some chemicals like the PB Blaster. I usually kind of use that product outside because that stuff reeks petroleum. It can reek a room up. But anyways, I've been trying this product. I bought it over at Home Depot called Zep Industrial Purple Degreaser. It's some heavy duty stuff here. You want to go with the correct ratio of dilution in the back of what you're cleaning. And these are, I haven't did these ones yet, but these are pretty bad. I bought these years ago and I had them in a box. And our previous, the past bike swap meets we used to have here in Arizona, we haven't had anything since I think 2010, 12, around there. Been a long time. It's just people gave up. I don't know what happened, but anyways, I used to buy a lot of stuff, go through bins and stuff, and some guys were pretty good. They category all the parts. Like for instance, they'll say like this one was on a came off a cruiser, or Stingray fastback, or anyways, these ones here were just like that. All of them, they were really gross looking. Even this derailleur, I've only soaked it once in this that Zep product right there, and might have to do it one more time. I'll probably just take it apart and clean those pulley wheels. But it was pretty nasty. But it took off a lot of the grease, and I just kind of paper towel most of it off. But so I've done that, and I've done these ones in here, and this headset here, and this one here. Thought I'd done it, but I guess I didn't. I guess I had it underneath that stack. Yeah, see, it doesn't even shake. I mean, they're seasoned there because it's just dirt. They do move with your fingers, but I can feel the residue in there, so I'll soak that in there with that Zep, and then it'll be like this one here. I can shake it. I can feel the bearings, just like these ones here. These ones you just need just a slight little bit of more polishing up, but they were bad. They were all black. I might soak them again, and maybe it'll take out some of that grease buildup. Just dry grease. I haven't done any of these yet. These are all bottom bracket parts. I try to get them all cleaned up and polished the best I can, and I keep them, everything behind me. I have an assortment drawers with all different parts and stuff. So I got a lot of bottom bracket parts here, and in here, these lock nuts in here. I know I got more of these, and I think I soaked this one here too. Yeah, this one was bad. Not rust, they just dirt and grease. So I feel a little bit grease still on there, so I might soak that back again. And then I've done this one once. This one was pretty nasty. This is an old Sprint. You can barely read it too. And surprising, these pulley wheels turned. They weren't turning. I remember, wow. So I might even soak this one more time again, and then of course take it apart and really brush out these pulley wheels here. I just keep this as a spare part. Probably never use it, but I have it. Came off an old, probably what, 67 earlier maybe, fastback, or I don't know, lightweight bike or something. So anyway, that's what I've been doing here. So it's a pretty good product. I mean, it turned the water. I use a spell right here. I put some in there. I don't fill it up. Probably put about maybe a little over a third of a way, and then put all the parts in there. But I found these one not too long ago, so that one was stuck in between them. So more work to do. Always something to do in my shop here. If I'm bored, I start cleaning parts, start organizing stuff and everything. So trying to keep this as my little light bulbs and different miscellaneous stuff right here. So anyways, that's what I do here. I got nothing else better to do other than maybe detail some of these bikes right here. So all right.